Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to your lecture number 7. In lecture number 7, we will do the exercise of lesson number 2. The name of lesson is patriotism. So first of all, we will do the glossary word. The first word is devotion. That meaning is loyalty, wafadari, commendable, admirable, काबिल तारीफ, supreme, highest in status, आला तरीन होना, value, worth, कदर को कहते हैं, native, फ्रॉम वंस मदरलैंड, मकामी को कहते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वी विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट lecture that will be lecture number 8. Now we will come to the page number 16. Here we have 5 words. We have to give their contextual meaning and dictionary meaning. First word is conservation. Conservation means conservativeness, and in the dictionary meaning we find it preservation. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज इंस्टेंस. इंस्टेंस फौरन यानी इमीडिएटली, और डिक्शनरी मीनिंग आप कह सकते हैं कि एग्जाम्पल. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज फिडेलिटी. फिडेलिटी मीनिंग मेकिंग अ फिडल, लॉयलिटी while we can say according to the dictionary. The next word is shield. Shield is also called a gift, and in a dictionary we can say that is perfecto. Next word is reward. Reward is a prize, and in dictionary you also can say this word a prize. Next we come to the word that there are 2 words, work and play. We have to make other words with the work. For example, worked. Next workability. Next is work. See, next word we are creating from work, worker, and the next is workable and working and worked. So we have to create the same situation with the play, played, player, playable. So you have to complete this 2 diagrams, and now we come to the C part, that is the meaning of the sentence and use them in the sentences. That is, use the following words in sentences. First word is sacrifice. Sacrifice कुर्बानी देना. We should sacrifice everything for our country. Next word is commendable. Your efforts are commendable. Next, number 3, prosperity, खुशहाली. Economic prosperity depends upon trades. Next is invasion. We should ready to face foreign invasion. Next is motherland. Pakistan is my motherland. And the next is reasonable. Responsible. Responsible people never break laws. And the next word is nationalism. Pakistan is lake nationalism. So dear students, you have to write these words and also make the sentences in your classwork. Now we come to the next, that is the page number 19. Next activity, use appropriate models. So first describe your 3 abilities and capacities. तो आप अपनी एबिलिटीज़ और कैपेसिटीज़ को शो करने के लिए 3 सेंटेंसेस आपने बनाने हैं. फर्स्ट होगा आई कैन ड्राइव अ कार, फर्स्ट एबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट होगा I can teach English. Next है I can write a story. So these are 3 abilities. You also can write your own 3 abilities. And the next is number 2, ask teachers permission for going out. For going out, when we ask a permission, so we have to say, may I go out, sir. Next, ask a friend to lend your book. You a book, would you give me your book? And the next is express necessity to get up early. We must get up early in the morning to offer prayer. The next is express duty. We must not overtake without signaling. And the next is share some past habit. For a past habit, we can say I used to walk in the garden. That is a past habit. So now we come to the next, that is B part, identify. In A part we have used the modal verbs. In the B part we are finding that either these sentences are assertive, exclamatory, imperative, interrogative or negative. So first sentence, art is another subject in which I am particularly interested, that is an assertive sentence. And the next is what a beautiful painting, that is an exclamatory sentence. We also find a sign of exclamation there, and there is sudden feeling, so it is called exclamatory sentence. Number 3, teach him to learn, that is imperative sentence. And number 4, how would I know, there is sign of interrogation in the last, and that the sentence is interrogative sentence. And the last one, she did not make a false statement. We use not in the sentence, so the sentence is negative, so we can say that this is a negative sentence. So dear students, in lecture number 7 you have to write on your classwork the following words which are given at your page number 16, C part. Use the following words in sentences. You have to write these 7 words, and you have to use these 7 words in sentences of your own. So thank you very much for the lecture number 7, dear students.